Hello, welcome to Initial Solution. I'm going to show you how to play chess with ChatGPT. Let's start. Go to openai.com, hit the login button, give your mail and click continue. Now give your password and click continue. Type let's play chess and click this arrow. Decide your color. Now you are ready to play. Give your move and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.